Hi guys, and yes, you have read correctly. So the next 48 hours for Bitcoin are absolutely crucial here in terms of where the price might be heading. So, and for the next big move that is to come here for Bitcoin. So, and I don't want to waste here any more time, guys. If you enjoy these super quick, short, to the point updates on Bitcoin, on some altcoins and Ethereum, then please don't forget, smash up that like button, like the video, and also activate the bell so that you will be always notified when I put out one of these super important Bitcoin updates, and also of course the trade codes that I'm giving here absolutely for free almost on a daily basis. So now let's get here directly into the Bitcoin chart. So, and as we can see here yesterday, our bull flag here has played out perfectly to the dot here, as we have broken out here into higher levels and have flipped now the $41,600, $7,000 area as support as it looks right now. And I want to also apologize, guys, yesterday. I actually wanted to show you my trade and I just forgot about it while I was doing the video. So, but today I will not forget. So, and yeah, so we broke here to the upside. So the technical target of this bull flag is still, if I go here now higher, $43,500. So, and now let me show you. So as we have formed here now a new potential bull flag that has just broken out here, I want to show you the next potential target for this one. So let's make this white here. So there we go. So there you see we get really close to the technical target from our previous bull flag down here. So this target is 43,240. And the bull flag target of this bull flag down here is 43,500, as I have just shown you guys. So I believe if we can get here up to this technical target of this bull flag that we have just broken out to here to the upside, we will also hit the other bull flag target all the way up here. So, and that will put us above a really, really important level that I will also get into in a second, guys. So, and this level that I'm talking about here is this red line, the $42,700 level. Yeah, other analysts say, yeah, having kind of like the same target, you know. So there's like $200-300 that we are away from each other. Some say 42,200, 500. So for me, it's 42,500 to 700. That is kind of like the range that we have to flip here for Bitcoin, so that we will get here into higher levels to around $45,000. So, and now let me show you why it's so important this week. What will happen with the Bitcoin price? Let me just find here the right chart for it. No, that was not this one. It was this. No, also not this one. Here, there we go. So here's my weekly chart. So that is the Bitcoin weekly chart. So here on the Bitcoin weekly chart, you can also see here this red line. There we have 42,567. That's why I said it's kind of like a range. So if we break this level, we can see here from the past, when we broke here above it, we had a nice move to the upside here. Then it broke into, broke down, then became resistance, as we can see here. Then it became support again. Here it was also support, and here we broke the support. And now look at this. We have here for multiple weeks now already tried to break above this. So this is 6 weeks in a row right now, including this week, that we have tried to break this resistance once again to the upside. So, and what usually happens if we try multiple times to break here through a resistance level, the resistance gets weaker and the price actually is then eventually able to break through and go here to the upside. So, and you can see here, based on the weekly chart, the next level to watch afterwards would be either here. Actually, let me make a box out of this. That makes more sense. So here, this would be the next range for the Bitcoin price, the next bigger resistance that the Bitcoin price would face here in the immediate short term. where's here again the color for this book? I should click on it to change the color. So yeah, that would be the next bigger resistance here, $47,000 to $53,000 respectively for the Bitcoin price. So, but once we're breaking through the $42,500, $700 area, we will see Bitcoin moving quite quickly to $53,000. Yeah, that's what I believe. Another indication for that is that we seeing right now here is signal flashing that has almost never failed us on the weekly charts, and that is here on the MACD. We see here the blue trend line is coming up and wants to cross the signal line. And if you're already a while around here on this channel, you know I like to trade these bullish crosses from time to time. So, and if we get a bullish cross, the price action will obviously go here much further to the upsides. And we can see this also from the past when we got here a bullish cross. So look what happened here at the same time. It was around here. We broke above $42,500. We saw a move to the upside. We came down to test this level as support and went even higher into our all-time high. So now if I go here a little bit further back, so then you can see that, well, what I mean, that this was almost never failing us here. So there is another example. Let me get into, so here, there you see it also. So here again, move to the upside. And also here, so here we got the cross and also a massive move to the upside. So you see this is quite reliable when the MACD is getting this bullish crossover. So, and that's what I'm looking out for obviously tomorrow when we see the weekly candle here closing, if we are already getting this bullish cross or if we have actually to wait another week. And now you will also understand and that what I said a couple of days back, that this makes a lot of sense now, where I said that the next 1 or 2 weeks for Bitcoin will be really important in terms of where the price action is going, because we will most certainly get this bullish cross and then a huge move to the upside for the Bitcoin price. Also, when we are going here to the daily chart, we are also seeing here in this downwards falling broadening wedge here that the Bitcoin price is testing now this downward sloping resistance line and tries to break above this here. So which is obviously also a really bullish indication here for further price movement to the upside. So, and here you can also see here once again the $45,000 level, which is on the daily chart also the next massive resistance. So once we are breaking through this, so we could see a rapid move here from the Bitcoin price once we're breaking above this with the daily close here today to $45,000. And that is also the reason why I have yesterday closed my trade, because we saw Bitcoin retracing a little bit. So I thought it's better to take some profits off the table and opened around the same level where I yesterday closed my trade, a new trade. So, and that is already here slightly in a profit if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so you see it's just a little bit, it's not that much, a almost $50,000 trade that I opened just a couple minutes ago based on this bull flag pattern that we are seeing here, because it looks for me really like that the Bitcoin price will move here higher. I looked also on the stochastic RSI. Can pull the stochastic RSI up for you guys, because there is still more momentum that can go into the upside. So we could see a further continuation in the next couple of minutes here for the Bitcoin price to the upside. So, and obviously that will put me into more profits. If you also want to follow here my trade calls and want to make money here on these exchanges, don't forget you can get here up to $9,200 in bonuses in the video description or under the pinned comment below. On Bybit, which is my exchange of preference, you get $4,100 with my link, and on Phemex it's $5,100 also here with my link. It takes only a couple of seconds to register, deposit and start trading, and then you can claim your bonus and trade with the bonus and then withdraw the profits from that. So don't forget this. So now let's also have a look here on the Bitcoin dominance. So here on the Bitcoin dominance, we can see that the dominance was trading here in this upwards rising channel, and now we are finally broken into the downside. What I was also mentioning the other day, that I'm waiting here for a breakdown. So now the next level of support here for the Bitcoin dominance is around the 42.27% level. So, and there we could see a little bit of sideways movement before we break here further into lower levels. So, and obviously at the same time we will see go a Bitcoin either sideways or also move higher, and that's exactly what we want while the Bitcoin dominance is falling, because that will result in a massive move in most of the altcoins. I actually forgot something to mention to you guys. I just have to look on which chart it was. I need a 4-hourly chart. So on the daily chart, we also see here that we are getting now this bullish crossover between the 20 moving average and the 50 moving average. What we were also waiting for quite a while. Now finally we have this. If this daily candle is closing at it is right now or at a higher level, we have that bullish cross, and then also we see here further upwards movement, also based on this potential W pattern with a neckline of around $42,000, and the technical target of this trade, if you want to take this trade, let it be from here, something like this, would be also around the $47,700 area, which is, like I just explained, a really, really important level for Bitcoin to get to. So now let's get here into Ethereum. So here on Ethereum, we see also that this W pattern down here on the 12-hourly chart is playing out exactly as we have expected it. We saw here a nice break of this neckline, which was lining up with the 0.382 level on the Fibonacci retracement level, and seeing now the price action getting really, really close again to the $3,000 level. We were really close here already at 2,982. So, and we could here also see in the next coming hours, maybe even today, otherwise I believe tomorrow, after tomorrow, we will see this, that the Ethereum price will move here to the zero level at $3,048. So, and will, with that move, obviously also complete our technical target all the way up here for this W pattern. So if you're right now on the sidelines and you're looking out for a new trade, on Ethereum, if you were not able to catch this trade while I was announcing it on my last couple of videos, then just wait. We want to complete this pattern first, and then we can have a look here on the lower time frames if we maybe see something which is potentially worth trading. Let's see. Yeah, so here is a small bull pennant that we are forming right now. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Yeah, that is a really nice bull pennant here that I'm seeing. So because we have here multiple touch points on the upside, so we have here 3, 4, 7 touch points along this downwards trending resistance line. So, and also 3 touch points on this upward sloping support line, so which makes this a valid pattern. So, and when we're looking here at the pole for this, so that should bring Ethereum to $3,117. So just wait for a break here above the $2,961 level before you get into this trade. If you have a 1 hourly or 4 hourly candle close, that would be the moment where I would go long here on Ethereum, and then you can trade this all the way up to $3,117. So I will leave it like it is, and then we will see where we are heading. So if that would turn on us, even though it's a bullish pattern and because it's a continuation pattern, it could bring us down to $2,760. But I definitely lean here more to the bullish side of things right now. Then some people of you have requested that I look into APECOIN once again really quick. So APECOIN, that's here the 5 minutes chart, which is not really reliable, as many people of you already know, because it's a really low time frame. It looks like that APECOIN is here consolidating right now in this range here, in this symmetrical triangle. So if we would break it to the upside, we could APECOIN most likely see go back to $17 in the immediate short term. So yeah, also wait here for a break above $14. Yeah, definitely $14 would be the range where I would be looking for before getting into a new trade here on APECOIN. Guys, that's it already for today. So thank you so much for tuning in here once again. Don't forget to smash up the like button, slap the subscribe button. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. Also activate the notification bell. And tomorrow I have a special guest on the channel, so definitely tune in here again. And don't forget to also subscribe to my paid signals group if you want to make bank here. We make, again, astonishing gains. Get in touch with my staff on the link in the video description for the paid channel. And of course, guys, I will see you then again tomorrow.